welding alone will not allow you to be a independent welder, a independent LLC business. And I'm gonna tell you this because some people just want to weld, and if you just want to weld, 9 times out of 10, you are just gonna have a job. Because when you're being independent, it's more than welding. It's running equipment. It's reading blueprints. It's troubleshooting. It's fixing errors in the field. It's repairing equipment. It's, just thinking outside of the box. A lot of time it's constructing something together first, or erecting something, then welding it together. A lot of times welding may be the last thing you do, but welding is a important thing that you do. So what I would say, when you're learning welding, multitask. You're learning to learn the business too. And that's where I come in at. Not only do I know the welding trade, but I know the welding business now. And I know how to network yourself independently. Like, I literally understand now. And I understand if you have just enough money, if you're willing to invest in yourself and get the right education, which it don't cost a lot. It'll literally change your life, man. Literally change your life. And I'm saying this because I know, I got some brothers who ask, man, I'm trying to do this. I want to get this machine. I want to do this. And a lot of times people will say, oh, I want to buy this new. I got to get this truck. Oh, I got to do this. Oh, I got to fix this up. Oh, I got to do. Hey, just start. Just start. Wherever you are at. And as you make money, improve your truck. Improve your equipment. But get used equipment. I would say always start off used, unless you got the money to just go buy new and have a warranty on it, 3 to 5 year warranty, because when you're using it a lot, it's going to tear up. So it's good if you, if you work it hard for a year and it go down, you got a warranty, take it back, get you another. That's a smart thing to do. You know what I'm saying? So it just depends on what you're doing, how much you're paying for it. But welding by itself, it's not going to get you there. Yeah, I know some good welders. They can weld. But when it comes to thinking outside the box and learning how to go into an interview and knowing how to pitch their worth. Some of my guys, they know their worth. Some of my guys don't know their worth. They just, they're in a small area, so they just pay them what's, according to the area, but they worth a lot more. So if you're really going to get somewhere and you're going to get over the hump, you got to be willing to get outside of your comfort zone. You're going to have to be willing to travel. You're going to have to be willing to leave where you're from. It's what it is. If you want to get over the hump. And then later, after you get your money, if you want to go back, go back. But I have learned from personal experience, you have to leave where you're from to get that opportunity, unless that opportunity is where you're at. If you're in an area where all you got to do is get your stuff together and you can go, hey, go get it. You know what I mean? But just remember this. Multitask. Learn welding. Learn the business. Learn how to network. Learn how to put yourself out there. Build your brand. Come up with your logo. Do all of this while you're learning. Think about how you want to visualize how you want your business to look. How you want your logo to be. How you want your truck to be. Your home. Ain't nothing wrong with it. All that is good motivation. But just keep in mind that you got to multitask to get everything, and you can't get outside yourself. You can't go spending money on an image and you don't have a solid brand. You see what I'm saying? You can't just go do it just to look good. You see what I'm saying? You got to be good at what you do. So if I would say anything, learn everything. All gone.